अल्ला. जेव्हा विचारू तुला धंदो करून पण नाही म्हणत देखा तो नाही म्हणत.
Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Just confirm me once that my voice is and this PDF file, this PowerPoint presentation is visible to you. Okay, sir, thank you very much for your comment in the chat box. And today is the day on which we are going to start this GST comprehensive course. Sureshji, I think my voice is audible. Please check at your end. Okay, sir. First of all, welcome you all this GST comprehensive course on our platform, on the platform which is going to be give you a very great knowledge, a very great learning experience related to GST. We all will be enjoy each and every session, each and every day of this GST comprehensive course, 45 days GST comprehensive course. As today is our introductory session, okay? So we'll give you the briefing about the GST comprehensive course, what the things we are going to cover, how we are going to cover the content, everything we'll discuss in this particular session. So this session is very, very, very important because this will give you a roadmap. Now, first take one very important question. Then after we'll start the session. That is, sir, we have received the books. It's okay. But sir, we have still not received the books. What we do? Because in group also we are receiving many queries that, sir, still I have not received the book. Still I have not received the books. I think 70 to 80% of the participants has already received the books. Only 20 to 30% participants have not received the books, but this is my assurance to you, you will receive by today, by tomorrow, in next 2 to 3 days you will receive the books. Bhaveshji, you have registered um, I think 3 to 4 days back. Okay, so it will take time. We have already dispatched the study material. You will receive it very soon. So within next 3 to 4 days, you all will receive the books, not an issue. Okay. So don't make it an issue. Everyone will receive the books. We have already dispatched the books. We have already shared the tracking code in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So you can easily track your books as well. Those who have not received the tracking code, they will also receive the tracking code by today itself. So feel free from the books perspective. And also, we'll start our GST comprehensive course from tomorrow evening 8 to 9 p.m. Okay. But for first 3 to 4 days, there is no requirement of book, because we'll try to cover the basic content. We'll try to provide you multiple examples. We'll try to create one foundation for the GST comprehensive course. We'll try to provide you the details about the GST, what, how, why. Everything will cover in next 3 to 4 days. So it is very easy for everyone. No requirement of the book. You will need the book after 3 to 4 days, and at that time you all will receive your books. So books related. Okay, everyone. Now, most important question from my side. Sir, you all are excited for this GST comprehensive course. Just show your excitement in the chat box. Because, sir, we all will create a history. This is my assurance to you on this introductory session, that when we'll conclude this session on 45th day, your knowledge of GST will be on a next level. And with that, we'll learn a lot of things, not related to GST only. We'll learn related to practice, we'll learn related to growth, we'll learn related to the various new strategies, new planning, new area of working in this particular GST comprehensive course. And also, sir, in this particular session, before starting our discussion on this GST comprehensive course and introduction, I just want to say one thing. Sir, this 45 days, I am completely available for you. So if you have any question, any query, any doubt related to our topic, you can connect on WhatsApp, you can connect on call, you can connect on Zoom. So all the facilities are available from my side. Now this is your responsibility to gain the knowledge of GST in a very different way, in a very unique way, with complete practical aspects. Okay, so let's start our discussion about the GST comprehensive course. And also, I think there are certain participants who have still not registered for this course, but they want to know about this GST comprehensive course. To post that session, you all will be in a situation to gain the knowledge about this GST comprehensive course in a very different way. Now, sir, first, and I will not take your much more time on today. We'll conclude my discussion in next 30 to 35 minutes only. From tomorrow onwards, evening 8 to 9 p.m., we have regular classes. Now, GST comprehensive course flow. Sir, what are the things you will cover in this GST comprehensive course, and what will be the flow of this GST comprehensive course? So, in this particular course, we'll focus on four very important pillars for gaining the expert knowledge of GST. These are the four very important pillars. First, we'll try to gain the knowledge related to conceptual aspect of GST. That means when we'll start our discussion from tomorrow, 8 to 9 p.m., first we'll start our discussion on the various sections, on the various rules, on the various provisions of GST law, so that we all will be in a situation to gain the conceptual knowledge related to GST. You can say the theoretical knowledge of GST law. And this is my assurance to you, at the end of the session or at the end of the course, you all will be in a situation to recall each and every section, each and every provisions on your fingertips. Okay. So this is our first area on which we'll start our work from tomorrow onwards. Now, second, sir, we have gained the knowledge of GST law. Just assume about each and every section, about each and every rules. Now, how we can analyze that section, how we can analyze the rule. Because the point is that there are only one single subsection related to input tax credit, section 16, just for an example. But whenever there will be a litigation before the departmental authority, before the High Court, Supreme Court, before the appellate authority, they are going to take multiple analysis of that one single section. Okay, that means there may be multiple approaches for the analysis of a single section. And for that purpose, we should have the analytical knowledge of each and every section. For that purpose, we are coming with around 250 recent landmarking judgments, and these recent landmarking judgments will be completely based on various provisions, various sections, various rules of GST law. So that in our first segment, that is conceptual knowledge, will cover the provision of law. Then in our second segment, we'll try to cover that how we can analyze that section and rules in different perspective, in different scenario. Sir, the most important thing, conceptual knowledge aa gaya. I have gained the analytical skills. But when my client will ask with me something related to GST, related to practical issues, related to implementation, related to litigation, at that time, there is requirement of the practical knowledge. Yes, sections are there, but मेरे client को section से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. My client just want, sir, what will be the answer, what will be the solution in this situation, so provide us the solution only. So we should focus on the solution oriented strategy as well. So for that purpose, we'll cover around 250 practical questions based on various segments of GST law. You can say time of supply, place of supply, value of supply, supply, refunds, 73, 74, penalty, prosecution, everything related practical questions will cover. So in these three segments, we'll cover the conceptual knowledge, we'll cover the analytical knowledge, we'll cover the practical and technical knowledge. After covering all these things, now the time is for the evaluation of your knowledge as well as the efforts made by CA Sachin Jain. Because you all are going to invest 45 days with me, and I am also going to invest 45 days with you. So we have an examination MCQ based, completely based on practical questions for all of you. We all will participate in that course and will evaluate our knowledge, that from where we have started and now where we are. So that is what is the flow of this GST comprehensive course. Sir, are you getting the points? Sunday morning, you all are with me? To design, to develop this GST comprehensive course, our team has made a very hard efforts. When you have received the books, I think if you will prima facie go with the books, in that case you found the simplified language, the examples. Those who have received the books and those who have just go through with the books, if you want to provide any feedback or comments related to books, you can put it in the chat box. Okay, because plus point, minus point, everything you can show. Now, segment of GST comprehensive course. Sir, when will learn and what will learn? So this is a 45 days GST course from Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday will be holiday, leave day. Spend time with your family and friends. So we have a session from Monday to Friday only. Now, sir, this is a 45 days course. So first 30 days will give to the GST sections, rules, provisions. Don't expect that first we'll start with the sections and rules. First we'll provide you the examples, create a base, then after we'll share the rules and the section. Okay, so first 30 days will be for the GST knowledge law. Then second 10 days will be based on 250 recent GST landmarking judgments. In these 10 days, we'll cover all the 250 recent landmarking judgments. And sir, believe me, all these 250 recent landmarking judgments are taken from various case studies. Around 5,000 case studies, we have taken only 250, that is based on sample. And for remaining 5 days, we'll cover 250 practical questions, practical queries which you are facing in your day-to-day GST practice. Again, this session is very important because this is the base. So I request everyone should be there till the last moment of this session. So this will be the segment. For 30 days, we'll give time to GST law. For 10 days, we'll give time to 250 recent landmarking judgments. For 5 days, we'll give time 250 practical queries, and one more assurance from my side. Sir, whenever you will check the portal that is related to various case studies, in that case, you found that each and every judgment is of 40 pages, 50 pages, 100 pages. And due to the complex sections, due to the complex provisions, we are not able to understand the complex languages. But after joining this course, after analyzing 250 recent landmarking judgments, you all will be in a situation to analyze any case study. Sir, 250 recent landmarking judgments, each and every judgment is 40 to 50 pages, but we have converted that 40 to 50 pages judgment into 2 pages for your simplicity, so that we all can learn. And I will also share you the technique that how you can prepare that summary of the case study and you can use the same in your day-to-day GST practice. Things required while watching this course. Sir, इस कोर्स को जब हम ज्वाइन करें, then what the things which require? So I think we have shared 3 set of books at your postal address. These are the 3 books. Okay. So for first 30 days, we require this book, the Aditiya, the definitive GST guide. For next 10 days, we require this book, that is 250 recent landmarking judgments Nirnay. And for next 5 days, we require this GST question compendium. अगर आपने इस बुक को चेक किया होगा, if you have checked this book, in that case, in this book, we have just given the questions and we have given a blank space. Okay, this is a new approach and this is completely a handwritten book. So in this particular book, we'll take the questions and you will write the answers, so that when we learn the GST law and analytical skills, then we'll check our evaluation how we have gained the knowledge. So this is a completely uniquely designed books, and all these 3 books are India's first book completely based on simplified approach. So thank you for your support. With that, we have also shared in our kit one notebook. We have also shared one pen, one highlighter, and one pencil. So all these things are required at the time of this session, because there may be certain writings which I suggest write it through pencil. There may be certain points which I am going to show you that highlight it. So you just need to use the highlighter. There is certain notes which you need to prepare. So for that purpose, we have also shared one notebook and one pen as well. As in the at the initial stage of the session, at that time, sir, pen and pencil is with the notebook. So just check the notebook carefully. You will find the pen and pencil. Now, when we have started our discussion on this GST comprehensive course, we have given you the details that the actual cost of this complete kit is around 4,000 rupees, but for our CSR activities, we are providing 3,400. So those who have received the books and complete study kit, sir, are you satisfied with the costing? Are you think that yes, we deserve 3,400 for this study set, because postal charges is also there? There are certain participants who are joining this course without books, then also it is completely okay. You will get the access through the YouTube and everything is fine. But yes, if it is possible for you financially to invest 3,400 rupees for your knowledge, then invest it for these books, because these are completely updated books. And yes, for sure, कैसा भी amendment आ जाए, कैसा भी changes आ जाए, we have provided sufficient space so that you can make the notes of that as well, related to amendments. Okay, so if it is possible financially to invest 3,400, then bought it, because it will be very, very, very helpful for your professional life. Okay, now, way of learning. Sir, sections versus rules. So our way of learning will be like that. First, we'll take one practical example. Through that example, we'll provide you the details of that relevant section and relevant provision. We'll also share with you certain industry-based examples. Then after, we'll give you the reference of the relevant section and relevant rules. Because point is that if I will directly share with you the section on rules, then there may be chances that it will be quite difficult for you to gain the concepts and the session will be boring. Because we have to make this session like a TV series, because a lot of funny examples will be there, a lot of industry based examples will be there. So first we'll try to cover the provision with example, with practical questions, with practical examples, and then after we'll share with you the section and the rules, and we'll also link that section with the rules, and if there will be any relevant notification, we'll cover the same, so that there will be a bunch and you can easily guide your client in any situation, any scenario. So that is what is our way of learning. Directly will not move to the sections. First we'll cover through example, through case study, then after we'll link that this provision is related to this section. That is what is our code. Thank you, sir, for your response in the chat box related to our book set. Why we have to join the live sessions? Because as we have given you the details that, sir, you will also receive the recordings on the same day. 8 to 9 p.m. we have session, and on the same day you will receive the recordings. Then, sir, we'll join through the recordings. Why there is requirement to join the live session? Sir, I request everyone, if it is possible for you, for 45 days, to invest 45 days, 45 hours, 8 to 9 p.m., join it live. Because we have a lot of interactions, I will ask you multiple questions, will give you opportunity to open the mic and ask the questions. And also, if you have any query, you can immediately put it in the chat box, and if numbers will be there in my Zoom and YouTube, it will be very easy for me to interact with you, and I will present my content with double energy. So this is just my request to you. If it is possible to you, join live. Any query, we'll discuss immediately. We'll solve your queries. We'll take your questions so that it will be very convenient for all of us. वरना YouTube पे videos खूब सारे पड़े हैं. No need to invest that 3,400 as well or 200 as well. Sir, this is a surprise from our side. As we have a session from Monday to Friday, 5 hours. The summary of these 5 hours will provide you on Sunday morning in just 7 to 8 minutes. So that on Sunday in morning with your cup of tea or coffee, you can easily recall all the things which we have covered in the last week. And you can store that 7 minutes video with you in future. If you want to recall any provision, just watch that 7 minutes video. You will get everything. Sir, how it is? It will be helpful for you. Because I just want to make this session, this course, a great success. Because मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था, this is my dream project. So we'll provide you a short video by Sunday morning, and you can recall the complete 5 days in one shot. Recordings of the classes, yes, definitely recordings will be provided on the same day. But if it is possible for you, then join the live session. But yes, recording will be available. While watching the recordings, if you have any query, any questions, you can connect with us. And also, earlier, we have given you a details that you will get the access to the recordings for next 3 months. But now we'll provide you the facility to watch the recordings for further extended period of 3 months. That is total 6 months. Okay. Now, most important thing, sir, if your friend, if your professional group, if your professional friends wants to join this course, then if it is possible for you, then just suggest them to join this course. Okay, you can do it, because we have total 250 registrations, I think. If you will approach only one person, in that case also we will get 250 more registration. There is no purpose of number, there is just a purpose, and this one slot will give the maximum advantage to the professionals, to the GST practitioners. Suggest your friends to join this course. Definitely they will give you a thanks message after completion of this course. WhatsApp group. Yes, Suresh ji will discuss. WhatsApp group. Sir, we have created one WhatsApp group for the registered participants. But multiple participants has yet not joined that WhatsApp group. And we have already shared the individual WhatsApp matches as well. So I request every registered participant to join that WhatsApp group, because every day joining link will be shared in that WhatsApp group. Also, you will receive it on mail. But the point is that if you will be in a WhatsApp, you will get the updates as well. You can post the queries. You can also get the related details related to course in the WhatsApp group. So join that WhatsApp group. Okay. Also, Kamlesh ji, we have already shared on your personal number. Please check, sir. Also, this is about WhatsApp group. Join that WhatsApp group so that we can ask, you can ask the queries, you can connect on the WhatsApp. Okay. Also, the link which we will share by tomorrow morning for tomorrow's session. Okay, tomorrow morning for tomorrow's session. So that link will be valid for all the 45 days. Only one link is there for all the 45 days. You just need to click on that link. You will be in class. Those who have purchased the book, that is 3,400. Those who have registered through 200 rupees, only registration fees, they just need to get the daily joining link on the WhatsApp group. So join the WhatsApp group. Okay. Santosh sir will share definitely. WhatsApp group name GST comprehensive course. WhatsApp group name is GST comprehensive course. Today, once again, we'll share the link to the registered number of all the participants. Join that WhatsApp group. Okay. What about examination? Sir, at the end of the session, at the end of the course, we have one examination related to this GST comprehensive course. In that examination, we have 100 questions based on practical approach, MCQ based. You just need to participate in that course, that examination will be around 2 hours. Okay, 100 questions, 2 hours will be there. Marking will also be there, result will also be published, and after completion of this course, after examination, you will also get the certification from our side. That certification will be showcase of your knowledge. Okay, so now, sir, most important thing, if you want to enroll for this, those who have already registered, then it is completely okay. Those who want to enroll for this course now, then we have two modes. One, without books, other with books. I am again repeating this line, that's our no objective to earn a single rupee of profit through this GST comprehensive course, because this is my dream project. Okay. One very important information is also there at the end of session, so please be with me. Now, the point is that we have two ways. First one is without books. In that case, you just need to pay 200 rupees and you will not get the books. You will get access to the course all the 45 days. We are charging these 200 rupees just for the assurance of your registration that yes, you will join. If it is possible for you to invest 3,400 rupees, you are financially sound. In that case, go with these three books. These three books will be very, very, very helpful for you. If you will place the order by today, will dispatch the study material by today itself. In next 4 to 5 days, you will receive the books. And also, for first 3 to 4 days, there is no role of any books. So both the modes are available if you want to go with books or without books. Okay. Whatever will be convenient for you, you can do. So Ami sir, if you have not received the books, next 2 to 3 days, you will definitely receive the books. We have also shared one Excel file in the WhatsApp group. You can check the tracking codes and you can easily get the status of your books. Okay. Now, if anyone wants to register for the books, 3,400 will be the payment. If you want to register for this course without books, 200 will be the payment. So whatever you want, you can do on this screen, this QR code. This QR code is there. If you want to register with books, 3,400. If you don't want to register with books, 200 rupees. Okay. That is what is the charges which we have. And sir, since beginning, I'm repeatedly saying that this course will be the milestone for all of you. And tomorrow evening, sharp 8 p.m., our course will start. our live course will start. Yes, if anyone has already paid, if anyone has already paid 200 rupees, then that person that person just need to pay 3,200 rupees. Then that person just need to pay 3,200 rupees only. Okay, those who have already registered, they just need to pay 3,200 rupees. And those who is going to register for this course by today, then I have also shared the Google form, so you just need to fill that Google form as well. Sunday we have no class. We have class from Monday to Friday only, Mahendra sir. Sunday we have no class today, just an introductory session, hence we have the session. Okay, and those who have not received the books, in next 2 to 3 days you will definitely receive the books. Okay, this is the QR code. If anyone wants to register, then 200 rupees without books, 3,400 rupees with books. If you have already made the payment of 200 rupees, then you just need to pay 3,200 rupees. Also, those who have purchased the book, we have given you the access to our e-library on the case studies. Okay, around 500 case studies are there in that e-library. Also, will give you access to our drafting course worth 1299, and will also give access to the amnesty scheme related course. Okay, these three benefits will provide you, and the same will be activated on the 11th of March 2025. 11th of March 2025, in your ID, these courses, the subscription plan will be activated, and one mail will be shared with you, and the same has been updated in the WhatsApp. Is that okay, Suresh sir? And for everyone, these benefits are available for those who are going to take this course with books. And once again, I'm saying, there is no purpose to make money through the books. There is only purpose to give you the expert knowledge related to GST. And from tomorrow evening 8 p.m. to 9 p.m, we have no any other discussion. We have just discussion. We have just discussion related to GST law. Those who have made the payment, then I just request, fill the Google form. Those who are not able to fill the Google form, then just share the screenshot on this number. Just share the screenshot on this number 9829760308. You just need to share the screenshot of your payment on this number, so that will provide you the QR code. Okay, Jagrup sir, you just need to share your screenshot, payment screenshot on this number. My team will share with you the link. If anyone has any query, any doubt related to GST comprehensive course, related to schedule, then please raise your hands, or you may post your questions in the chat box. I am here to provide you the response. Any question, any query, any doubt, tomorrow evening sharp at 8 p.m. will start our discussion. I request to all of you to join the GST comprehensive course. I have again shared, ebook is not there, ebook is not there, only subscription plan related to the case studies will be provided. In that plan will provide you, the case studies. Okay, the analysis of case studies in 2 to 3 minutes short videos. Yes, if you will pay 200 rupees, you will join it for 45 days completely through YouTube, not an issue. Okay, also will provide you response to your queries. But the point is that if you will join with books, then it will be great. If you will join without books, it will be super. Whatever will be convenient for you, you can do. Again, if it is possible for you financially to invest 3,400, then without a single thing, go with 3,400. This will be a great investment from your side towards your knowledge. Okay, and if you are joining without books, then also it is okay. Okay, Sir, Ganeshan sir, that will discuss in our session. Certain things are not there. We'll discuss in our session. Okay. If you will check it, then we have case number is mentioned 71, 78, but we have not given the number pronounced by the High Court and Supreme Court. We'll give you the detailing in the session itself that how can access the same. So everything will be there. Be assured for next 45 days we will be having a great learning experience, and sir, you all are ready for our tomorrow session sharp at 8 p.m. Okay, sir, once everyone please comment in the chat box. Yes, tomorrow 8 p.m. we'll start our discussion from what GST, why GST, and what is the role of GST in our practices? These three questions we'll discuss in our tomorrow session sharp at 8 p.m. with certain important sections about the constitutional background of the GST. So be ready with new graphics, with new strategy, with new things. Tomorrow evening 8 p.m. we all will meet on this Zoom and YouTube platform. Thank you once again for joining our today's session on this Sunday. I think related to introduction of this GST comprehensive course, everything is okay for all of you. And now we'll meet tomorrow sharp at 8 p.m. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye. Take care and enjoy your Sunday.